Okay, this is a little help for Oye Como Va, the flute part. I just want to give you a couple of little tips on some specific places. In the beginning, the rhythm's pretty simple. You've got ta, ta, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum, 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 ba, 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 and that repeats. From 5, now a little tip here. We've been playing B flat with the back key here and the front index finger. There is another way to do this. So you're playing an F here. So at the back your thumb is on this key. Now, if you lift these two, this one and this one, you'll also get a B flat. So that's a really easy way to play B flat if you've got an F on either side of it. Here's an F. If I lift these two, so that's what I'm going to do here in bar 6. I'll go from bar 5, you can see my fingers. See how I did that B flat F, C. Okay. The next thing you'll need help with is bar 17. You have F, then an A flat, C, no, E flat. So that's the note that you're aiming for. You're going to use you've got your first finger, your thumb, second finger, third finger, little finger here, just like you had for your A flat, this finger, this finger, this finger, and this finger. It's like everything down. F, A flat, C, everything. Remember, you need, for those high notes, you need fast air and aimed high. If you use faster air, aimed high, it should be a breeze. F, A flat, C, then you've got E flat, C, E flat. E flat, everything down, C, back to everything down. Then you've got a D natural. You're going to keep your little finger on. Your other 3 fingers of the right hand will come off. This will come off, and your little finger. Finish on the B flat. That'll take a little practice. Let me try it again. B flat. Now here, you've got a choice. You can go up to a high F or down to a low F. For the moment, let's go down to the low F because that's where you feel comfortable. Then it repeats. Okay. Bar 25. Okay, so I'm playing F, 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 A flat, F, A flat. I'm going to go back to the B flat that I played with you before, here. D, E flat, E natural. 25 again. Then it repeats. A flat. That's the section at 25. F, 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 A flat, F, A flat, B flat, D, E flat, E natural, F. F, 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 A flat, F, A flat, B flat, D, E flat, E natural, F. Then you've got A flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, C, A flat, C. You note that high D, D, E flat, E natural, F, and then you go down to C, 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 E flat, C, E flat, F, D, E flat, E natural, F. It's a tricky section there. Okay. I'm at 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Straightforward. The rhythm is a little bit tricky there. F for 2, G, A flat, hold for 2, then B flat. That go up to that high E flat again. 41. You'll notice that those 4 bars from 41, I repeated those because there's a repeat mark. You've got a descending little scale here. High E flat, D, C, B flat at the back, A flat, F, A flat, G. That's how that goes. That happens again towards the end as well. I think that's the tips that you need to play Oye Como Va. Happy practicing.